I never thought it would happen to me. I mean, you always hear about drinking and driving, or texting and driving, but never this.
God, your freaking spine kitty.
Oh, my allergies have been acting up so much lately. It's fine.
We were just going to see a movie. I guess I had been neglecting to take my allergy medicine at that time, so I was constantly sneezing. I guess I should have just stayed at home.
You guys, this song reminds me of the concert. It was so good. It was so good at the concert.
So fun and sweaty.
Oh, it was sweaty. No, did you guys know that he shaved his hair after Beach Goth?
Really?
Why? He got lice.
From who?
I don't know.
And he fell on his head.
Yeah. But now he has a wig and it's really stupid. What's wrong? Oh God.
I never thought a sneeze would take a life. Just take your allergy medication. Don't make the mistake of sneezing while driving. It's not worth someone's life.
Du bist kein Coffin, Stephen. Und ein Hiken. Oh.
Did you get your 4 hugs for the day?